So today we are going to discuss about profit. You might heard the word profit a lot, and we all know that in modern capitalist system, the firms exist because of profit. Now, today we are going to understand what does it mean, what is profit and how it is calculated. And this is how we define profit. So profit is nothing but the gap between total revenue and total cost. So total revenue is the money they receive by selling a product, and total cost is the cost incurred by the firm to produce the good. And cost involves labor, raw materials, rent, utility, all sorts of things that a firm needs to employ to produce a good. So first let's focus on this total revenue. How this total revenue is calculated? Total revenue is nothing but the price at which the product is sold and the quantities they sell. So for example, if you sell say coffee, and coffee costs say $3 per cup, and you sell say 50 cups of coffee per day, so your total revenue would be 3 times 50, which is $150. That's your total revenue. Obviously, total revenue is not your profit, because to sell that coffee, you had to buy coffee first. You had to employ workers to make that coffee. You had to pay rent for the place you are selling the coffee. So when you take out the cost of the coffee, for example, coffee cost is say $100, then your profit would be 150 minus 100, which is $50 is your profit. So this is how we calculate profit. Profit is a very simple concept, but it becomes really complicated as we delve deeper into the world of microeconomics.